Hello and welcome back to the word of the day. Today's word is hiccup. Hiccup is a noun and it means a brief, involuntary spasm of the diaphragm causing a characteristic sound. Alternatively, a hiccup can mean a minor setback or issue. For example, there was a small hiccup in the plan, but the team quickly found a solution. As a celebration for hitting 50 words of the day, I have created a little game out of the words. Go ahead and screenshot so that you can play the game too. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.